Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable the Ctrl Alt Delete requirement when booting into Windows 10 if for some reason it's turned on or enabled. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the Start menu, type in secpol.msc. Should come back with Microsoft Common Console document. Go ahead and open that up. You want to go expand local policies by double clicking on that folder and do the same thing for security options. On the right panel here, you want to go ahead and use the scroll bar to go down to where it says interactive logon, and this says do not require Ctrl Alt Delete. Go ahead and double click on that. At this point, you want to go ahead and set that to enabled, and then select apply and OK to save that change. At this point, you can close out of here, restart your computer, and the Ctrl Alt Delete will not be required. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.